You need to watch this if you struggle with making sense of data. Imagine a world where every click, every transaction, and every online interaction weaves a story. This is the world of data. In today's digital age, data is generated at an unprecedented rate, creating a massive pool of information. This data holds the secrets to understanding trends, making predictions, and driving decisions. It's the lifeblood of our modern world. Businesses, governments, and individuals rely on data to make informed choices. From predicting market trends to personalizing user experiences, data is the silent force behind modern innovation. Picture this: every website you browse, every product you buy, leaves a digital footprint. This creates a vast amount of data that needs to be processed and understood. It's like a treasure trove waiting to be unlocked. Enter Pandas, our hero in this data-driven saga. Pandas is a powerful tool that allows us to handle and analyze this data efficiently. It's a game changer for anyone working with data. Think of Pandas as a magical library in Python. It provides data structures and functions needed to manipulate numerical tables and time series data. With Pandas, you can perform a wide range of data operations, from simple data cleaning to complex data analysis. It helps us make sense of all this data. By using Pandas, we can transform raw data into meaningful insights. This transformation is crucial for making data-driven decisions. Imagine Pandas as a high-tech spreadsheet within Python. It offers the flexibility and functionality of a spreadsheet, but with the power and efficiency of Python programming. It lets you organize, clean, and analyze data with ease. Whether you're dealing with missing values, merging datasets, or performing statistical analysis, Pandas simplifies these tasks. In this story, we'll embark on a journey to unlock the power of Pandas for data analysis. We'll explore its features, understand its capabilities, and see how it can be applied to real-world scenarios. We will learn how to install Pandas and understand its key components. From setting up your environment to writing your first Pandas code, we'll cover everything you need to get started. Get ready to dive deep into data manipulation, cleaning, analysis, and visualization. We'll show you how to handle large data sets, perform complex calculations, and create stunning visualizations. By the end, you'll be equipped with the skills to tackle real-world data challenges. You'll be able to turn raw data into actionable insights, making you a valuable asset in any data-driven field. So, let's begin our Pandas adventure. Together, we'll unlock the full potential of data and discover the endless possibilities it holds. What's something people don't know about their data toolkit? Once upon a time in the world of data analysis, there was a powerful tool called Pandas. But before our hero could wield this tool, they needed to set it up. Fear not, for the journey to installation was simple and clear. With Python already in their arsenal, our hero could summon Pandas with a single command. They opened their command prompt and typed the magic words, pip install Pandas. And just like that, the installation was complete, and Pandas was ready to be used. With Pandas now part of their toolkit, our hero was prepared to unlock the hidden insights within their data. I bet you didn't know that the foundation of data manipulation lies in two powerful structures: data frames and series. These two heroes are the backbone of the Pandas library, enabling data enthusiasts to handle and manipulate data in ways that are both intuitive and powerful. At the heart of Pandas, these two heroes stood tall. Data frames and series were designed to make data manipulation and analysis straightforward and efficient. They were the essential tools that data scientists and analysts relied on to make sense of complex datasets. Think of them as the fundamental building blocks of our data analysis toolkit. Without them, working with data would be much more cumbersome and less efficient. They provided a structured way to store and manipulate data, making it easier to perform a wide range of operations. Imagine a data frame as a grand table with rows and columns. Each row represented a record, and each column represented a variable or feature of the data. This tabular format was not only easy to understand but also highly versatile, allowing for complex data manipulations. It was a powerful way to organize your data in a structured manner. Whether you were dealing with numerical data, text, or dates, a data frame could handle it all. This flexibility was one of the reasons why Pandas was so widely used in the data science community. Each column could hold different types of data, like numbers, text, or dates. This meant you could have a single data frame that contained a variety of data types, all organized in a coherent structure. This made it easier to perform operations across different types of data. A series, on the other hand, was a single column of data within a data frame. It was essentially a one-dimensional array that could hold any data type. While it may have seemed simple, the series was incredibly powerful and formed the backbone of many data operations in Pandas. It was like a list, but with more features. A series came with a range of built-in methods that made data manipulation straightforward. You could perform operations like filtering, aggregating, and transforming data with ease. You could think of a data frame as a collection of series working together. Each column in a data frame was a series, and together they formed a complete data set. This modular approach made it easy to manipulate and analyze data at both the column and row levels. Understanding these two data structures was crucial for working with Pandas effectively. Mastering data frames and series would enable you to unlock the full potential of Pandas, allowing you to perform complex data manipulations with ease. In the next sections, we would embark on a journey to create and manipulate data frames and series to gain insights from our data. We would explore various methods and techniques that would help you become proficient in using Pandas for data analysis. You need to watch this if you struggle with making sense of your data. Imagine you're a detective, sifting through mountains of data to uncover hidden truths. In this chapter we embark on a journey with the Pandas library in Python, our trusty sidekick in the world of data analysis and manipulation. Picture this, you've got your data neatly organized in a data frame. Pandas hands you a toolkit brimming with possibilities. Whether you're cleaning up messy data, transforming it into something meaningful, or just exploring its depths, Pandas makes it all feel like a breeze. One of the first skills you'll master is selecting and filtering data. It's like having a magnifying glass that lets you zoom in on the most intriguing parts of your dataset, making it easier to uncover those hidden gems of insight. With Pandas, you can slice and dice your data frame to extract exactly what you need. Whether it's specific rows, columns, or even individual values, this ability is a game changer, especially when you're dealing with vast amounts of data. The magic lies in Pandas' intuitive indexing and conditional statements. Indexing lets you access data in a flash, while conditional statements help you filter out the noise, zeroing in on the data that truly matters. Need to add or remove columns? Pandas makes it as easy as pie. You can effortlessly expand your data frame with new columns or trim away the ones that are no longer useful. Combining data from multiple sources or removing irrelevant columns becomes a seamless task. This is particularly handy when you're merging data from different origins into one cohesive dataset. With these powerful data manipulation techniques, you can transform raw data into a polished, insightful form. By cleaning, filtering, and organizing your data, you set the stage for analysis, visualization, and reporting, ultimately empowering you to make data-driven decisions with confidence. This is why you need to master handling messy data. Once upon a time in the world of data analysis, there was a brave analyst faced with a daunting challenge: messy data. Our hero knew that real-world data is rarely perfect. It was often messy, incomplete, or inconsistent, causing much frustration. But then our hero discovered a powerful ally: Pandas. With Pandas, they found tools to clean and prepare their data for analysis. Missing values were no longer a problem thanks to techniques like imputation or dropping incomplete rows. Data type conversions became a breeze, ensuring consistency and accuracy. Pandas allowed our hero to convert data types effortlessly, making their analysis more reliable. And so, with Pandas by their side, our hero laid a solid foundation for accurate and reliable data analysis, ready to conquer any data challenge that came their way. I bet you didn't know how powerful Pandas can be in uncovering hidden patterns in your data. In this chapter, we embark on a journey to reveal these secrets. The adventure begins with the thrill of analyzing data. Imagine yourself as a detective, sifting through clues to reveal the secrets your data holds. With Pandas, you have a treasure chest of functions for descriptive statistics at your fingertips. These tools help you summarize and understand the distribution of your data. Picture yourself calculating the mean, median, and mode, the measures of central tendency that reveal the heart of your data. As you delve deeper, you explore the spread of your data using standard deviation and quartiles, uncovering the range and variability within. By harnessing these statistical powers, you gain profound insights, identifying trends, outliers, and relationships that were once hidden in plain sight. And so, the story of your data unfolds, revealing its mysteries one function at a time. If you're a data enthusiast, then you need to master the art of data visualization. Once upon a time in the world of data, there was a powerful tool called Pandas. In our 7th chapter, we embark on a journey to visualize data and bring it to life. Imagine a world where a picture is worth 1,000 words. In data analysis, this world becomes a reality. Our hero Pandas teams up with the mighty Matplotlib and Seaborn, creating a seamless alliance for data visualization. With this powerful trio, you can craft stunning visualizations directly from your Pandas data frames, making your data stories come alive. From bar charts and histograms to scatter plots and heat maps, the canvas of possibilities is endless. Visualizing your data is like uncovering hidden treasures, revealing patterns, spotting trends, and sharing your insights in a clear and compelling way. And so, our journey continues with data brought to life through the magic of visualization. I bet you didn't know how powerful data can be in transforming industries. Welcome to Section 8 Pandas in Action Real-World Applications. Picture a bustling office where data analysts huddle together, their screens aglow with intricate data tables and vibrant graphs. This is where Pandas shines, transforming raw data into actionable insights. In the high-stakes world of finance, Pandas is the silent hero. Financial analysts rely on it to decode stock market trends, track investments, and craft winning trading strategies. Now step into a hospital where doctors and medical professionals are on a mission to save lives. With Pandas, they analyze patient data, uncover disease patterns, and enhance treatment outcomes. In the dynamic realm of e-commerce, Pandas is the secret sauce. Teams use it to decode customer behavior, tailor personalized recommendations, and fine-tune pricing strategies for maximum impact. These stories from finance, healthcare, and e-commerce illustrate the incredible versatility and transformative power of Pandas in solving real-world challenges. This is gonna blow your mind. In the final chapter of our adventure, we arrive at the grand finale, your journey into data analysis. Congratulations, brave explorer. You've navigated through the vast landscape of Pandas, uncovering its secrets and mastering its tools. From the first steps of installation to the intricate dance of data manipulation, cleaning, analysis, and visualization, you've seen it all. But remember, the true mastery of Pandas lies in practice. Dive into real data sets, experiment with its myriad functions, and don't shy away from getting your hands dirty. As you journey deeper into the realm of data analysis, Pandas will be your steadfast companion, empowering you to unlock hidden insights, make informed decisions, and shape the future with the power of data. So embark on this journey, analyze with passion, and uncover the incredible stories waiting to be told within your data. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thank you for watching.